I am monetized! Yes! YouTube has now accepted me into the YouTube Partner Program. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. So I got this email saying you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. So that's the thing that I applied for. And of course I had to get the AdSense, the Google AdSense approval, which was a bit of a trouble for me. But once that happened, I contacted AdSense and that didn't really work. But once I contacted YouTube and linked my AdSense to YouTube, then YouTube got it all happening. Within 3 or 4 hours, I think it was, I got this message to check out the YouTube creator site and how to monetize. I'm going to share with you what I can share with you. So I just noticed this notification. Welcome to the YouTube Partner Program. Congratulations, you've now been accepted. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is great news. So I'm going to be turning on ads and let me see what we do. Let's see what it says here. Your channel has been approved. Oh, this was such a pain for me, but finally they've done it. This is great. Okay, and then you can omit all the requirements. I need to turn on videos, what all the icons mean. So I'm not going to read through all of this, but I will include a link to that in the description for this video. Okay, there's a bit of terms and conditions there. But now when I click on monetization, now I notice there's a copyright. I don't think that copyright button was there before, but monetization. So I now click on that and what can I see? So now I've got video advertising. Yes! And fans can also purchase goods on your channel to connect with you during live streams. So that's a thing like including the super chat. So the super chat means if I get a lot of people connecting with me, a lot of people joining into my lives, they can kind of give a donation and then their comment gets boosted. It says my AdSense account is active. These are the agreements, or do I want to leave the YouTube Partner Program? Definitely don't. So next thing I want to do is well, I could learn more, earn money, learn more, or see more. Let me go into video advertising, and this is the content, the community guidelines. Got to make sure I don't use inappropriate language or violence or adult content. I'm not going to do any of that. And so what do I do next? I'm going to go to learn more here. Wow, this is so exciting. How to earn money. Okay, you'll need to be accepted, which has happened. Ways to make money, advertising revenue, which is what I'm doing. And then the super chat. Okay, but at the moment, hey, I am monetized. And so you're going to start to see some of those ads when you come to my channel. And so thank you for all of the people who have written to me asking, are you monetized yet? Yes, I am. This is great news. Wonderful, wonderful. So thanks again, and thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel. If you are on YouTube and you are wanting to get to monetization yourself, one thing that you can do is start to help others. They're liking their videos and subscribing to their channels. It's a real big boost, and it is a bit of an effort to get to 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours. So just keep that in mind. That's one way that you're able to help. But for the time being, I am monetized, ready to get started. Just a quick one on the copyright. I need to accept this agreement, refer each video so that I don't reuse content that is not mine. Or break copyright. Totally happy to agree to that. Agree and continue. Nice work, you're all caught up. So where do I turn on ads? Well, it's actually here. If I go to settings, and then I can go to upload defaults. Let me go over to here, advanced settings, nope. Okay, I was saying that generally I'm science and technology, that's okay, video language, and monetization. This is where I put the ads on. I'm going to put on all of the ads at the moment. skippable video ads. So they're the ones you can say skip ad, and then non-skippable video ads. And then I might do during video the mid-roll. So that means videos that are at least 8 minutes long. And now I'm going to click save there. And looks like I'm going to have ads on the channel. And that's it. That's it. We're done. We're done. We're done. Hooray, hooray. Monetization should now be on.